Hey, is this the line for In-N-Out? Hey man, fuck Subarus, huh?
Zach, I never relax. A lab boy, I'm in the gas to get to Southern California where it never rains. Gonna take a. Still not an option. I hope and I pray that one day we achieve. Cause man, I gave my all till I had nothing left.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September, I don't think you...
She said, I'm tired and I'm starving. And then she says, ready? Turns off the camera. Dude, there's so many Subies. They said, it should be like, maybe like a couple hundred. Holy, I don't know man, that looks like more than 4 to me, so. Like, imagine seeing every single Subie and like there's like 1,000 Subies. Like right now we have people looking at us right now and I'm just like, peace man, peace man, peace man, peace. Like every single car, you're already like growing gains and stuff. You're in like some freaking huge ass muscle. Hey bro, how'd you get so big? Then you turn the other side, it's all small. It's just this hand, it's all big. They're like, it's like Family Guy, like Quagmire. Oh my gosh, he's like, how'd you get so big? Oh man, I was saying peace to so like 2,000 Subies. Man, that shit gets you hard, bro.
I break them one by one and face to face. And I hear the voice of an angel telling me not to leave.
So we got a lot of people saying that they like the rally car, so not too shabby. Everyone's seen the kit. Not everyone's seen the kit yet, so keep it a secret because we still have one more thing to do. One last baby kiki wiki to do. After that, then I can show more of a big release. He said, I was like, oh shit, Subaru's got you like that? Damn. I'm not on that level yet. I'm not ready.
Here we go. Once you're in, that's it.
I probably should have checked the time lapse. I really hope it's recording.
To find out.
I'm waiting for evos. I think I went to the wrong meeting.
Yeah, this guy's more relevant. And everything.
And he's like,
where's your key at?
nah.
All you got is a mask. Can't even get your helmet.
I can't make big turns like this because the rally tires.
Oh yeah.
They're too fat.
Look at him. He's so prepared.
Look at, he's so prepared. Oh my gosh. Extra jelly. They're over here revving like. Yeah, can I get a number 7 Yumbo Yak, please? And now this In-N-Out line is huge, dude. It's all the same cars. Hey, is this the line for In-N-Out? Yeah.
Words of bros, I'll never relate to that. Might get pulled over, they check my ID and hit the gas. All these divisions, race, religion, economic class. How are we free till realities can overlap? I know what it's like to live round dollars on dollars. And I know what it's like to see that money get smaller. And I know what it's like to live with and without God. But I'll never know life at systematical odds.
Hey man, fuck Subarus, huh? Oh my god, I have too much fun by myself. It's like, it's the fact that I appreciate always everyone watching just for me acting stupid. It just, honestly, why do I do it? It just makes myself laugh. Like, everyone needs to stop being so like normal. Just make yourself laugh. People actually like it.
Camaleón, yo soy camaleón. Si hablan rosa me pongo rojo. Si tengo miedo amarillo digo mal. Si ando buscando lo quiero que me encuentre.
Words of bros, I'll never relate to that. Might get pulled over, they check my ID and hit the gas. All these divisions, race, religion, economic class. How are we free till realities can overlap? I know what it's like to live round dollars on dollars. And I know what it's like to see that money get smaller.
Yeah, it has to be a real rally car, dude. People like it. People like it. I think it's the small peony. Is that for me?
Hold on to every promise I've been praying for. Like I hold on to every garment. Won't surrender, not tonight. Won't surrender, not tonight.
What the fudge? I thought we were gonna go all the way around. Oh,
Nope, that's it.
well,
It's better than nothing.
better than nothing though. It's better than nothing. So it's fine. We only got like 2 hours of sleep. It's like it's
2
okay.
hours of sleep.
It's okay. It's okay. You know, this car doesn't matter. You want to smash the wall now.
Hey, but at least you're gonna get breakfast now.
Now I'm hungry.
Yeah, I'm starving too.
When I woke up this morning and the haters were up on me, I just told them stay up out of my way. Because I got a real bad temper, it's the middle of September. I don't think you wanna catch my case. Man, if you do so much as touch me, then it's bound to get ugly where police gon' end up all in my face. So, to eliminate the problem, I pop